In this video, I am going to show you how to transfer money from Albert to Cash App. First, ensure you have both the Albert and Cash App installed on your mobile device and that you are logged into both accounts. Start by opening the Albert app. Navigate to the Cash or Transfer section of the app. From there, select the option to withdraw or send money. Choose the amount you want to transfer and confirm the transaction. Albert may require you to link your bank account if you haven't done so already. Next, open the Cash app on your device. To receive the money, you'll need to link the same bank account you used in the Albert app to your Cash app account. If your bank account is already linked, you can skip this step. Once both accounts are linked, go back to the Albert app and complete the transfer. The funds should typically arrive in your linked bank account within a few business days. After the money is in your bank account, you can then use Cash app to send or receive money as needed. Make sure to check for any fees associated with the transfer and keep an eye on both apps for confirmation of the transaction. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.